Hey guys, welcome to Login Apps. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Writesonic account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to sign into your Writesonic account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And after you open your preferred browser, click on the search bar and type in writesonic.com like this and hit on enter. And after that you'll be directed to the home page of Writesonic, or you can also simply search for Writesonic login like this and hit on enter. And after that you can see there is the login page for Writesonic at the first result of Google, just beside below this ad. Let's click on the app.writesonic.com. This is the direct login page of Writesonic, whereas on the first tab you can see this is the home page of Writesonic. And in order to log into your Writesonic account from over here, at the top right corner of the page you can see the sign in button available. Or if you have not yet created an account on Writesonic, simply click on get started over here, or click on start writing for free over here. If you click on either of these buttons, you'll be able to create an account on Writesonic. And with that being said, let's click on sign in. And you can see guys, both of these pages are same. So let's pause one of these. One was from the Google search result, whereas this was from the direct home page of Writesonic. With that being said, we can see there is the option to sign into your Writesonic account to Google or your Apple or your business email over here. You can also sign into your business email with an OTP or your password instead. With that being said, first let's go through the sign in with the Google and the Apple buttons. If you click on the sign in with Google or Apple button, you can see the pop-ups change. Similar login page to your Apple account or your Google account will appear, and if you log into your respective Google or Apple account from the pop-up, you'll be able to sign into your Writesonic account from the Google or your Apple mail accounts. With that being said, click over here to log into your account with your business email. For example, let's go with my email. And you can see, as I said previously, you can sign into your Writesonic account with an OTP or your password. You can simply, if you click on sign in with OTP, and one-time password will be sent to your email address, and then you'll be required to enter that OTP address over here. After you click on over here like this, a button will appear to log into your OTP, or if you click on sign in with password, you can see a box to enter your password has appeared, and enter your password over here and then click on sign in. After you enter your password like this and click on sign in, then you will be able to log into your Writesonic account from over here. You can also sign up for the Writesonic account from over here. If you click on sign up, you'll be redirected to the sign up page of the Writesonic account. With that being said guys, this is how you log into your Writesonic account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.